The Mercedes-AMG G63 is quite a common sight on the UAE's roads. What if you want the G-Class yet you want exclusivity and exotic appeal? It's simple really, you get the Onyx G7X. Hello and welcome to another exciting exotic car of the week video. This is the G7X, a highly customized and tuned Mercedes-AMG G63 built by Onyx Concept, a London-based luxury tuning house and available exclusively in the UAE at Dorado Luxury Cars. This is quite the performance SUV and only 5 of these exist, so let's dig right in. If first impressions matter to you, the G7X has got your back. It is an SUV that certainly knows how to make an entrance. It is a perfect blend of the elegance of G-Class and the aggressiveness of the elements introduced by Onyx. The grille has been replaced too, with the Onyx badge replacing the 3-pointed Mercedes star. Other Onyx enhancements include LED lights on the roof, forged carbon fiber all over the car including the rear spoiler, a fantastic looking rear spare wheel cover and an intense rear diffuser. The SUV is finished in this brilliant Nardo grey shade, which gives great contrast to the bright orange detailing and the bright orange interior. Now, I wasn't kidding when I said bright orange. Look past the color though and you'll find a carefully crafted cabin with premium materials. The combination of leather, carbon fiber, metal accents and intricate stitching exudes opulence. The attention to detail is impressive and comfort levels are off the charts. The signature dual 12.3-inch infotainment system is easy to use, intuitive and responsive. You even get the Onyx logo on the screen. Under the bonnet, you'll find a powerhouse of an engine. It is the same 4-litre turbocharged V8 engine that you find in the standard G63 AMG. However, Onyx has now tuned it up to produce 730 horsepower, which is a massive 153 horsepower more than the standard G63. The acceleration therefore is blistering and the exhaust note is quite impressive indeed. However, this isn't all about straight line speed. The suspension strikes a perfect balance between comfort and sportiness, and it is an overall great SUV to drive. From its aggressive exterior to the eye-catching interior, every little detail on the G7X has been curated to give you an unforgettable driving experience. If you're in the market for a luxury, high-performance SUV that stands out from the crowd, the Onyx G7X is a compelling choice. If you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button and let us know in the comments what you thought of this powerhouse on wheels. Head to Dubikas to find this G7X from Dorado Luxury Cars, the exclusive distributor for Onyx in the UAE. That's it from us for now. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next video.